The wheels on 21-year-old Lance Larson's bike are moving once again. But it wasn't an easy road to get here.
It was a hectic last week.
2 weeks ago, that same adaptive tricycle, which Lance uses in the Special Olympics, was stolen from the Larson family's garage.
Yeah, it was very sad. It was very heartbreaking to me.
For nearly a week, it seemed like there was no hope in getting the bike back. But after MTN's initial coverage of the theft and Lance's love for his bike, it led to a community response larger than the Larsons ever expected.
It was very overwhelming, I would say, especially after the first news story went on air. Lance just really wanted his bike back.
His sister Samantha and father Lloyd became flooded with messages from complete strangers offering to help.
He was very just impressed with everybody stepping up.
Local radio show The Big J Show raised over $700 the next morning, and the Chase Hawks Foundation even gave Lance a new bike.
And they were very nice. They gave Lance a new bike, of course. Tuesday, and then the next day we found his bike.
That call came from the Billings Police Department. The bike had been dropped off outside City Hall, and to their surprise, all in one piece.
We were expecting it to come out in a box.
In a
like,
pasteboard box.
Bike. But yeah, when he wheeled it out, it was like, holy cow.
I was very relieved that they found it.
The bike did have some minor damages and was taken to the bike shop on Grand Avenue for repairs. And there, the generosity continued.
They're pretty regular customers, and that's a shame to happen for anybody. So, I mean, I probably won't even charge them, honestly, when they come to pick it up.
A community that not only had their eyes, but their hearts open. And now Lance can go back to doing what he loves.
And I would like to thank the whole community.
The whole Billings community. This is crazy, because I feel like we don't really see that anymore.
I'm just happy that our community really cared about me and finding my bike.
In Billings, Isabel Sparts, MTN News.